In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a signature request in BambooHR. First, log into your account using your credentials. Once you've signed in, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Reports option. When you open the Reports section, you'll see a list of available report types. From this list, select the option labeled Signed Documents. This is where you can view all the signed document templates in your system. Find the specific document for which you previously sent a signature request. Click on the name of that document to open its details. Inside, you'll see a list of all users for whom the signature request is still pending. To cancel a request for any specific person, hover your mouse toward the end of their username. You'll see a small icon that represents Cancel Request. Click on that icon once. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel it. Click on Yes, Cancel Request. Once you do that, the signature request for that particular user will be cancelled immediately, and they will no longer be able to sign that document. If you have several pending requests and want to cancel all of them at once, simply click on the More option at the right-hand side of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Cancel All Pending. Confirm again by clicking on Yes, Cancel Requests. This will remove all pending signature requests for that document, and that's how you can cancel a signature request in BambooHR.